My name is Abdullahi Mohammed. Counsel to the former Managing Director of Bank PHB, Tony Idigbe, has asked the Court of Appeal sitting in Lagos to set aside the decision of the lower court on the case of alleged stealing of shares brought against the former Managing Director of Bank PHB, Mr. Francis Atuche, and grant the relief sought by the appellant. Vera Chumba was at the Court of Appeal in Lagos today and has more.
The case brought against the former Managing Director of Bank PHB, Francis Atuche, and others by the EFCC involved alleged stealing of shares belonging to the bank, following another decision of the Court of Appeal where the court held that any matter involving allegation of stealing of shares ought to be determined by the Federal High Court and not the State High Court. The appellant filed the suit seeking to quash the judgment of the lower court on the ground that the court had no jurisdiction to hear the suit. The appellant counsel, Tony Idigbe, SAN, had argued that because of the nature of evidence in relation to the issue of acquisition of shares, the jurisdiction of the lower court is ousted. EFCC counsel Kemi Peniro, SAN, however, said the appellant is charged for specific sums and not necessarily for stealing of shares. He drew the attention of the court to an earlier decision of the Supreme Court, where it held that in criminal cases, jurisdiction is not determined by the character or nature of evidence, but by the complaint that has been adduced at the lower court. In Lagos, Vera Chumba.